Shane Laterla. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Although yung first, nakadalawang set sa inyo ang Adamson, tapos Shaina had another 30-point game in her rookie season. So, ano masasabi mo sa effort nyo na makabawi kayo at yun nga, medyo na nagawa nyong makontrol si Shaina nung fifth set?
Siguro, yung paalala lang namin sa mga bata ng fifth set na kung sino ang may gusto nito, na sino gustong manalo ng fifth set, yun. Siguro, yun nga, nangyari, ginusto ng mga bata, gumalaw sila, umiral yung kagustuhang manalo, kaya ayun, medyo napigilan din naman si Mitura kasi nabasa na naman nila kung ano yung ginagawa.
Thank you to Angel. You had 22 points on 20 attacks, 2 blocks, 23 exit receptions, and 8 digs. So, yun nga, ano masasabi mo na, yun nga, si Shaina talagang unstoppable siya nung first 4 sets, pero yun nga, nagawa niyo ng paraan para malimitahan niyo sa 5th set. So, ano masasabi mo sa kanya?
Wala, kasi sobrang galing ng bata. Kasi wala akong masabi. Sobrang unstoppable niya, gaya nga po nasabi mo. Pero at the same time, kasama din naman sa preparation namin kung paano i-stop si Mitura. Kasi, syempre, knowing Adamson, yung main killer talaga nila si Mitura. So, buti nagana po nung 4th set tsaka nung 5th set na yung blockings namin sa Adamson. And talagang wala akong masabi kay Mitura, all-around player siya, and grabe yung IQ niya sa volleyball. And sa pagkikilala ko sa'yo, napaka-humble din na tatawa.
To Shebs, you have 21 points on 16 attacks, 3 service aces, 2 blocks, and you had 9 digs. So it's a very important win for you guys, especially you're trying to clinch at least a top 2 spot. So what can you say about your team split, especially when you're down 1-2 in sets? What can you say?
I mean, of course, super proud. Also super proud of our rookie, Shane Laterla. She stepped up for us. She was that calm person in the court. So I think this game is a testament to how close we are as a team and how we can rely on one another. And of course, as disappointing as it is that we had to do this in 5 sets, it just shows our grit and our want to win.
Thank you. And to the rookie, Shane, you have 17 of 13 attacks, 1 block, 1 service ace, 3 exit receptions, and 3 digs. So, yun nga, you came in as a starter in the 4th and the 5th set, and yun nga, parang game changer ka nga. So, ano masasabi mo na despite trailing to 1, hindi kayo bumigay? Shane, what can you say?
What can you say?
Masasabi ko po na parang yung team po talaga namin is hindi po talaga siya basta-basta bibigay na kilala ko po yung mga ates na
Sige na!
Sige lang, go.
na lalaban po talaga hanggang dulo kahit ano pong score, kahit ano pong mangyari.
Thank you.